So I just wanted to take a quick video. I posted the picture. Now I got in the Euro NZD at the 15-minute marker. I was on a downtrend on the daily, right? Always do a top-down analysis like everyone in the group shows us. Went to the 15 to look for an entry because there was a lot of imbalance to the left. So I knew, you know, at least based on everything that we learned, there's a lot of room to move. Now this Euro USD or Euro odd, I had an earlier trade. It closed out because I had the stop loss too tight. So I reopened it because I believe that had, I looked for another entry on the 15-minute, got back in because I think that still has quite a bit to move, maybe. But I would have had probably 100 pips there. So I would have had like 463 pips at this point, and I took these trades yesterday. So I'm going to tell you guys, this flat out works. Just get good top-down analysis and look for your entry. You know, you got to see which direction the trend is going. Very, very vital. All right. Thanks, guys. Thanks, Michael. Thanks, Danny. Thanks, Jason. Thanks, Jay.